Most people will scroll past this, the ones who don't. Their lives will look completely different 6 months from now. Here's what nobody tells you about high performers. It's not their talent, it's not their connections, it's not even their work ethic. It's what they do before 9 a.m. 5 specific things in a specific order, and once you see it, you can't unsee it. Let's get into it. Number 1, move first, think later. Before coffee, before your phone, before a single thought enters your head, move your body. 10 push-ups, a 5-minute stretch, a fast walk around the block. It doesn't matter what it is. What matters is this. Motion literally switches your brain on. Oxygen floods in, your nervous system fires up. The mental fog that follows most people through their entire morning, gone in under 10 minutes. Here's the thing nobody talks about. Sitting still the moment you wake up is basically telling your body to stay in sleep mode. And then you wonder why you feel half dead by noon. You weren't made to lie horizontal and then immediately sit vertical in front of a screen. You were made to move, so move every single morning, non-negotiable. Number 2, attack your most important task before your brain wakes up enough to talk you out of it. This one sounds counterintuitive, but stay with me. Your mental energy is not constant, it is a resource, and it starts depleting the second your day begins. Every small decision, every notification, every "I'll get to that later" chips away at it. By the time most people sit down to do their hardest work, they've already spent half their capacity on nothing. The fix? Flip it. Whatever you've been putting off, the thing that actually moves the needle, do that first. Before email, before messages, before your brain has had enough time to manufacture reasons to avoid it. The most important work of your life will never feel convenient. Do it anyway. Do it first. Number 3, eat like your brain is your most expensive asset, because it is. Most people start their day with a blood sugar spike disguised as breakfast, cereal, toast, a pastry, a sugary coffee drink, and they feel great for 40 minutes, then they crash, then they wonder why they can't focus. Protein changes this completely. Eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, a protein shake, it doesn't matter what form it takes. Protein stabilizes your blood sugar, keeps you full for hours, and feeds the cognitive function you need to actually perform. What you eat in the morning is a decision you make about who you're going to be for the rest of the day. Make it on purpose. Number 4, the same wake-up time every day. No exceptions. Not because 5 a.m. is magic, it isn't. The hour doesn't matter, the consistency doesn't. When you wake up at the same time every day, weekdays, weekends, all of it, your body stops fighting you. Your cortisol curve normalizes, your sleep quality improves, you stop needing 3 alarms, you start waking up before the alarm. And something shifts mentally too, because showing up for yourself at the same time every single day is a form of self-respect that compounds quietly over time. You're not setting an alarm, you're setting a standard. Number 5, your first hour belongs to you. Protect it, because in a very real sense it does. And the moment you open your phone, you've handed the wheel to someone else. Algorithms built by the smartest engineers on earth are now steering your attention. What you feel, what you think about, what kind of mood you carry into the rest of your day, all of it, shaped by strangers. Make your bed, drink water, get outside for a minute, let your mind wake up on its own terms. The first hour sets the emotional and mental tone for everything that follows. Win it quietly and it pays dividends all day long. These 5 things aren't complicated. They don't require money, equipment, or a perfect schedule. What they require is a decision, made every morning before anyone else is watching. That's where your future is actually built. If you're starting tomorrow, drop a comment below and subscribe, because this is just the beginning.